The O-ring helps to seal your nail gun's head valve. Over time, the O-ring can harden and eventually crack or break, leading to an air leak. Replacing the O-ring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the head from the nail gun. With the head removed from the gun, I can remove the head valve. To do that, I'll just tap the head against a flat surface. With the head valve removed, I can remove the O-ring. Now I'll install the new O-ring. And I'll reinstall the head valve back into the head. And now I can reinstall the head assembly. And I'll secure it to the housing with the screws. And that's how you can replace the head valve O-ring in your nail gun.